Welcome back to the channel. Today you're looking at something absolutely insane. This is the 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 8x8 motorhome, a machine that doesn't just travel, it dominates. Built for extreme expeditions but wrapped in pure luxury, this is where military toughness meets red-themed elite comfort. From the very first glance, the Thunderbone looks unstoppable. The deep metallic red armored body instantly separates it from anything else on the road. This isn't paint, it's presence. Massive proportions, aggressive lines, and that bold Toyota grille tell you one thing clearly: this vehicle was designed to go anywhere, without asking permission. Up front, the bonnet view is pure intimidation. Heavy-duty steel bumper, integrated winch, red tow hooks, sharp LED headlights, and a roof-mounted light bar that turns night into day. The stance is wide, tall, and confident, with 8x8 all-terrain tires ready to crawl over rocks, snow, sand, whatever you throw at it. Step inside, and the vibe changes instantly. The cockpit welcomes you with a deep red and black luxury theme. The steering wheel feels like it belongs in a high-performance machine: flat bottom, red stitching, carbon fiber accents, and that iconic Toyota badge sitting proudly in the center. Everything here is designed around the driver. The digital instrument cluster lights up in red and white, showing terrain data, suspension levels, drivetrain status, and off-road telemetry. This isn't just a dashboard, it's a command center. Ambient red LED lighting flows across the cabin, giving the interior a bold, futuristic atmosphere. Turn the engine on, and the whole vehicle comes alive. Screens boot up, gauges sweep, and you can almost feel the power waiting underneath that armored skin. This is the kind of machine that makes you want to explore places where roads don't exist. Move deeper inside, and the Thunderbone reveals its luxury side. The living area is spacious, refined, and surprisingly elegant. Red leather seating, carbon fiber panels, soft touch surfaces, and panoramic windows make this feel more like a luxury apartment than an expedition truck. The bedroom continues the same bold theme. A king-size bed with a red leather headboard, soft ambient lighting, premium fabrics, and smart storage solutions. After a full day of off-road driving, this is where comfort takes over. The kitchen is compact but high-end. Carbon fiber cabinets, brushed steel appliances, induction cooktop, and LED-lit storage make it fully functional for long expeditions. Everything feels premium, solid, and purpose-built. Even the bathroom doesn't compromise. Black marble textures, red ambient lighting, glass shower enclosure, and expedition-grade fixtures turn a small